Hello guys, today we're going to talk about how to descale your DeLonghi coffee machine with the descalers. So the first descaler which I got with a project that is already finished, so I have to buy a new one, and I'm gonna tell you more about it, like why I purchased this one. But yeah, have a better look. So if you need to change, if you need to buy more descalers, go for the 500 ml one, except not buying those 100 ml bottles, because those tend to be more expensive and maybe not the best for the environment. So the first thing we want to do is change the water here. So you have to put at least 100 ml of the descaling solution and the rest with water. So you have to fill up the tank, the reservoir, with 100 ml of descaling solution, and I don't know how much it is total, but yeah, the rest is with water. So the problem is this orange light that is blinking here, as you can see, and the whole process needs to be done so that this orange blinking light turns white again and the process resumes to, normal function, I would say. So, well, the first thing I'm gonna do is probably get rid of this part. Pro tip, if you have one of these machines, you know that you will need this descaler once in every 2 to 3 months. So make sure you buy a bigger one, so it can run. It's better value for money, I would say. So also the thing that you're gonna do first is change the water tank. I'm gonna take it out so you can see. So how do you open this? Tap and okay. So 100 ml. Not sure how much this is gonna be. Let me just pour the solution down here. Okay. I think that should be close to. Alright, so we don't need this one, so the rest of the reservoir, I'm gonna fill it up with water until it reaches the max volume. So it's time to turn it on, and you find the problem here. What we want to do now is open this steamer, so that the water that will come out of here will not split everywhere. I'm slowly gonna remove this, keep it as maybe apart, and then yeah, this is the regular nozzle. What I'll also do is open this part and keep it here, so you get the water will probably be just here. Alright, so now it's time to enter our descaling mode. Water is ready. or let's not say water with the descaling solution is ready. This part is also ready. So what we'll try to do is sometimes, you know, change this, the position from the steam part to the main coffee part. So we're gonna get some water here, and then we have to change this from steam to normal coffee position, or let's not say coffee position, maybe we call it espresso position. But let's put another mug here so the water will go there. Now what we need to do is click this for 10 seconds. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 10. So now you can see it's blinking twice, single cup twice, double cup twice, and then the steam twice. Now we will change its direction to steam and click stream. Just listen to the sound. It's not normal. This is not, you know, the sound that you always hear. So this is the descaling time. So it has started descaling. The whole process just started, and you gotta wait. When this is full, we're gonna change the notch from steaming to, you know, regular position, so the water comes out from here and this part gets cleaned as well, while you change the water from here, and vice versa. When this gets full, you change it back to steam mode again, so the water goes here, and you know, just change it. Good luck with the descaling process. I'll show you what to do on the first phase is done. The first round is complete, and as you can see, there's not so much cleaning going on, so it's time to change this tank again. Fill up this with water, so let's do it. So as you see, the second time, the water flow is very different now. It's much faster than the first time. Yeah, this is definitely faster. So I'm gonna do one thing. I will change it again. It's so much water. This is now literally splashing water everywhere. As you can see, I gotta clean it up. Alright, so the second time is done. It's almost ready. Now what I gotta do is change the water reservoir, fill it up with fresh water again. This time I'll throw away the rest of the water that is a little bit. This machine, I think, is only capable of doing it twice. So the second time it did well, and this is the third time. No matter how much I'm trying to rinse the machine, you know, clicking this, it still spraying steam, like a regular steam. So I think everything is working pretty good now. I'll just show you once I make a really good cup of coffee to see if things are, you know, just doing great. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the machine has been descaled now, and it's showing all white buttons instead of orange, which is good. I'm quite happy. So now I'll just create a cup of the perfect cappuccino. So as you can see, I'm using the double filter here. This is my grinded beans. I'll just put 1 spoon of this. You all probably already have it. Comes with the machine. And then I don't have a spreader, so I do spread with my fingers, not using any utensil for that. But then I got this nice wooden tamper, so I'll just do a bit of tamping. It's done, and now you can look at it, how smooth it is. So it's perfect. It's ready to make some, you know, espresso. So I'll just add it here and get my favorite cup. So now we're ready for the espresso shot. So I usually go for 2 shots. Let's start. Perfect. As you can see, there's a really nice foam on top of the coffee, and it took 25 seconds, literally.